Hello, everybody, and welcome to How to Play Hangman. I used to love Hangman as a kid. I still love it now. Let's learn how to play it. So Hangman is such a simple game. There's a little man, he's about to be hung, and there's a word below, and you can see there's a dash for each letter. It's a 6-letter word. You're going to guess, there's the 26 letters of the English alphabet. You're going to guess one letter at a time, and either the letter is in the word, or the letter is not in the word, and if it's not in the word, it slowly starts to draw the hangman. The goal of the game is to guess the entire word before you draw the entire hangman and hang the man. If you've ever played Wheel of Fortune, you probably know how this game goes. It's like playing Wheel of Fortune by yourself. Let's just pick a vowel. A. Uh-oh, we're already wrong. There is no A. If there was an A, it would have shown up here. Instead, we got the hangman. Already, we drew the head. Let's try the E. We've got the E. The E is at the end of the word. Well, that can't be the only vowel in this word, so we're going to have to keep going with vowels. Uh-oh, now we've got the body because there's no I. Let's go to O. Uh-oh, there's no O, and now there's a leg. Let's go to U. There's got to be a U. No, there's no U. Well, that's going to mean that there's a big word with no other vowels here. I'm going to have to guess that there's a Y as a vowel in there. Okay. I've only got 2 more mistakes I could make. He's already got 2 legs, a body, and a head. Something that is 6 letters long that has a Y and an E at the end. Let's try an S. Okay. So now P-S-Y-C-H-E would be psych. So let's try a P. So we've got P-S-Y, psych, psyche, P-H-Y-C-H-E. Hooray, we did it. Let's try a new word. And we're back to the 6-letter word. And let's start to hang the man again. Let's again try with the vowels. Uh-oh, no A. Uh-oh, no E. 3 I's. And look at the word. Something with an I. Wow. I don't imagine there could be another vowel in there with 3 I's. Also, what word has 3 I's like that? I honestly don't know what it could be. The only thing that sort of jumps up to me is that maybe it's like an Italian word that is like a Bellini. Bellini. Maybe let's try a B. Oh, maybe it is Bellini. Bellini is a drink. Nope. Oh, how about a bikini? Yay, we did it. Let's try it one more time. Again, I'm always going to start with that A, and I guess there's never an A. E? Well, there's one E, but there's got to be at least another vowel. I. No I. O? Yeah, and that could be enough vowels for now. Let's get to the more popular consonants, which in my opinion are R, S, and T. R? There is an R. So it could be a B, and a G, or a T. Okay, so there's a T at the end. C-R-O-C-H-E-T, crochet. Let's try an H. Nope. Let's try a B. Nope. Oh boy, this one's going to get me. Try a C. Okay. I would say it was crochet, but there would be C-R-O-C-H-E-T. So I'm going to guess a U, which means be the game croquet. Q? Phew, we did it. Last time, here we go, folks. A 5-letter word. And let's not guess the vowels first this time. Start with an S. Yeah. Start with an T and an R. We're already in trouble, kids. Let's try an E. Oh, boy. And a Y? Oh, we got a Y. What makes this word hard is it's probably something like Molly, where it's just 2 L's and I'll try an O. No, we're down to the end. What other vowels do we have? Let's try a U. Okay, so we've only got one last clue, and it could be like bully. Should we try it with an L, folks? Nope, but we got that. So now we're down to here. What could it be? Lumpy? Lucky? All right, we're going to try... I think that's the only 2 I can think of. Lumpy or lucky. So it's an M and a P or a C and a K. Which should we go for, kids? Let's try the C. Oh, then the K? I love Hangman. And by the way, this is just a fun game that I teach. I teach grown-up games too. I teach how to solve Rubik's cubes. I do word games. I do puzzle games. I do video games. I do classic board games like Clue and Sorry and Monopoly and Parcheesi, and I play card games like Hearts, and I do casino games like Blackjack and Poker and Craps, and I teach so many games. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what to say.